Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Peacock, access streaming content step by step clearly. Open the Peacock app on your phone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device. If you are on a computer, open your web browser and go to peacocktv.com. Make sure your device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. On the Peacock home screen, find the Sign In button. Select Sign In to open the login page. Type the email address you used when creating your Peacock account. Type your Peacock password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are using a TV app, use the on-screen keyboard to enter your details. Check that there are no extra spaces before or after your email or password. Select Sign In to continue. Wait a few seconds while Peacock verifies your account. If you see a profile selection screen, choose your profile to proceed. If you do not have an account, select Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter your email address and submit the password reset request. Open your email inbox and look for the Peacock password reset message. Click the reset link and create a new strong password. Return to the Peacock app or website and sign in with your updated password. If you are asked for a verification code, check your email or phone and enter the. On some TVs, you may see an activation option with a code on the screen. On your phone or computer, visit the activation page shown on the TV screen. Sign into your Peacock account on that page if prompted. Enter the activation code exactly as displayed and confirm. After activation, go back to your TV and wait for the app to refresh. Once logged in, use search to find movies, series, live channels, or sports. Select a title, then choose play to start streaming. If playback buffers, restart the app and check your internet speed and connection. If login still fails, confirm your subscription status and update the Peacock app to the latest version. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.